the field sales team added like close to £2 million worth of revenue last year from a standing start. So like it's pays for itself. I'm Oliver, the founder of YetiPay. Our mission is to make the Monday magical. We provide POS terminals and payment processing services. Spreadsheets, I think, is how we were doing it before Glide. Yeah. And for a while, there was a mix of spreadsheets and Glide. And over time, all the spreadsheets went away and everything now lives in Glide. With a spreadsheet, you've literally got to calculate what the initial commission was based on the history of that merchant, then calculate what the bonus was, then get the information from the payment processing platform to then plug it into the spreadsheet manually, not just for like one rep, but we're doing that for like, at the time, probably like 30 or 40. And so it became very, very painful. On a Sunday night, we would sit for like 2 hours, like going through all this data to then pay the commissions out on the Monday. And not only was it like taking my Sunday evenings, but it was like prone to error and like a gazillion things, right? So we're like, okay, cool. I know how to use Glide to be able to do all of these calculations, ingest that data, keep that data up to date. We can have Glide more integrated into the business and save ourselves again a bunch of time. Apart from putting some APIs in place, no engineers were needed. We just would not have been able to scale, right? Like in the way that we did. So we scaled total revenue last year from £400,000 to 3.5 million. And we're planning to triple this year. So it was like 750%, give or take, last year. And that was a wild ride. We've just launched in Italy and Spain. That's going really well. And again, Glide is used actually internally to price those deals. And we'll do the US next year, probably Australia, New Zealand. I think there's something like 4,000 deals that were priced last year. Over 1,000 commission payments went out since we introduced Glide for that part. And before that, we were doing it manually, right? And so I just don't think we'd have been able to move fast enough. The other option would have been like to go and hire a bunch of engineers. And, that takes ages, costs loads of money. Their salaries are high and they've got to get up to speed. And then you've got all the infrastructure costs and managing it all. But we would not have been able to grow the way we did without the tool, fundamentally. There are 260 field sales agents using the app. The reps are literally out in the field, pricing deals on their phones, generating contracts on their phones, showing customers how much they could save on it. It works really well. Like the reps can log into their portal, see what commissions are due, see the amount, see the bonuses, press a button, request payment. That payment goes into a view that is for the accounting team to then do due diligence on that payment and then pay it out. And then also we have another app, which is our contract manager app that we built. So then all of our actual new customers, they do use Glide because they use the contract manager to sign their contracts. Because this app has to actually ingest quite a lot of data. We also have a bunch of reporting on the performance of the business embedded for internal use. And so I'm always using it on my phone to see like how much we've processed today and payments and that kind of stuff. We're able to run a really, really lean payments company thanks to tools like Glide that allows us to, have an amazing culture, live some incredible values. And we would fundamentally not be able to do that if it wasn't for the tool that the Glide team have built. We finally got all the pieces of the puzzle together, and then that's what happens.